So over here, you can see that I have a CSV file right here with some names right here and then URL, right? Gmail, Wikipedia, and Microsoft.com. Its username, its password, and notes that you can see right here. So if you save your content in this particular format, then what you can do is you can actually go around and import out the password inside of Microsoft Edge. So to do that, you need to click on the three dot button and then go to settings over here. And then over here, what you can do is under profiles, you can go to passwords. And once you go around over here, you can see that I got two passwords saved right now. But if I want to add more, then I can click on add over here, just like this, and add it manually. Or I can click on the three dot button over here and then click on import passwords. So once I do that over here, you can see that I can import from particular browser right here, or I can go for password CSV file as well. And then I can go around and click on choose file and select the CSV file and click on open, and the password is imported, and you can see that the Microsoft.com password that we added in just now was imported just like this. But if the password is of existing websites, then it won't do anything. It'll just replace it out. So that is how you can import passwords inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.